Oh my gosh, you can see my... Okay. Is that more better? Cause, okay. What do I do next? Like, this thing is in my face. But hey guys, welcome to my channel. Good. I can't see anything. Wait, where am I? Wait, what? And again because my recording does not want me to. Please. Ooh. Yeah, I'm already ready. It's oh, they have parkour. Wait. Yes. Haha. Right in your face. I love parkour. If you guys didn't know. Woo! Oh, fudge cakes. Just saying, if my recording pauses, it's not my fault. Because the recording does not want me to record for some reason. Fun! These look like little rainbows. Prettiest, wait, I can customize her. Okay, good one, Bob. Pet room, oh, group room, VIP room. I'm so weird. Who do you think I am? Room. So basically, you try not to wait. Like, are those the taggers? Oh, wait, what? I'm blue. Wait, what? Hey, help! 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 Work. Oh wait, why? Who's the taggers? Okay, so the red ones are the taggers and the blue one is not the tagger. Because over there. Buddy, oh no, they are freeze. Oh, I'm so mad at you. Oh, I don't care. Get me out of this ice thing. Water. Blue, 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 blue. Please, help. Help. Wait. Help. Ooh, I guess I'm gonna open this. Oh, it is. But I don't want. There they are. Hello. Oh, are these the creators? I bet these are the creators that made this. Or I'm just really... I can't be wrong. Can I get a pet? I don't know. I don't need no toy. Oh. What am I? Wait. I think I'm the blue one again. Oh my goodness. My recording does not want me to record. Yeah. So I just been having some problems with recording. Run, honey, run. I can't. Run, honey, run. No, run. No one's gonna catch us. It's guarding. Don't puppy guard. Hello there. Help. Help. I can't see. Wait, what is that? I have no idea what that stuff is. Get me out. Get me out. Oh. Someone got me out. Someone got me out. Please let me out. Light man. Please let me out. He left me, didn't he? Hello. Right now, yes, my dad just joined the video. There you go. I'm a little bit scared. Oh my god. Why is there more, holy smokes. Yes, you can hear the background here, down here. Oh my god. I'm scared. Like, this headache. Fudge cake. Oh, honey, no, don't. How can he run? Help. Help. I go mad. We are teams. We should split up. We're coming in teams. Oh! Help. Holy cow! No! They help! Ball girl. I'm a Thai ball girl. Help! No, don't you dare stand on it. I don't know what your name is. We are all hanging around this area. Where's the other girl? OMG. Poor girl. Oh, got one crate. I'm gonna be an eyeball girl. This is a ball girl. Be an eyeball girl. Let's this time go red. Woo! Oh, that's boosting. Am I in it? Oh, that's for abuse. Hi. Be frozen, honey. Please, did something hurt me? Hello? Are we like vampires? Sorry, I'm already scared. I'm gonna itch. Hello. Thought there would be a secret wall. What? I don't know what's killing me. Hey, no, thank you. Well, not whatsoever. Why is it kind of color like that? So yes, I'm fine though. Why am I dying though? Bill, what? Oh, what's your name, son? Let's just play the game. That sounded like. Wow. Oh, come here. My face. Yay. I'm having some. Girl, I've been having so much doing this video. But if you guys subscribe, and yeah, bye.